Tilling a big plot can be a real backbreaker, literally. You need the right machine to get the job done efficiently and effectively, without turning yourself into a human plow in the process. That's why we put together this ultimate guide to finding the best tiller for your large gardening needs. We'll be comparing gas-powered versus electric, front tine versus rear tine, and everything in between. We'll also be sharing some pro tips on choosing the right size, features, and even how to use your tiller like a pro. Number 1. Joe TJ603E 16-inch electric tiller. One of the standout features of this tiller is its durability. It's equipped with 6 steel-angled tines that not only provide maximum durability but also deliver outstanding performance. Whether you're breaking new ground or revitalizing an existing garden, these tines will make the job easier and last for years. It's rust-resistant, ensuring that it can handle the elements and won't corrode over time. Its handle folds for easy storage and transport, saving you valuable space in your garage or shed. Number 2. LawnMaster TE1016M 16-inch tiller. One of the standout features of this tiller is the 2-stage gearbox driving system. These tough blades are designed to cut through even the roughest terrain. It comes equipped with an anti-block mechanical clutch, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. It features an adjustable transit wheel with up to 3 positions. This tiller is maintenance-free. No need for gas, oil, or charging batteries. It's ready to go whenever you are, saving you time and hassle. Number 3. Earthquake 37037 Rear Tine Tiller. This tiller can operate in both counter-rotating tines and standard rotating tines modes. Counter-rotating tines mode is great for breaking up tough soil and sod, while standard rotating tines mode is ideal for creating a smooth seedbed. The Earthquake 37037 has a unique shift positioning system that makes it easy to switch between CRT and SRT modes. The Earthquake 37037 is powered by a 99cc Viper engine that's right-sized for the job. The Earthquake 37037 has super-wide airless wheels with aggressive lugs. Number 4. Earthwise TC70016 16-inch electric tiller. The Earthwise TC70016 boasts a robust 13.5 ampere motor, providing you with the oomph you need to tackle even the toughest soil. Whether you're breaking ground for a new garden bed or revitalizing an existing one, this tiller's got you covered. One of the standout features of this tiller is its 6 adjustable tines. This means you can customize the width of your till from 11 to 16 inches. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to tuck away in your garage or shed. Number 5. BILT Hard Rototiller Gas-Powered Tiller. The BILT Hard Rototiller can cultivate up to 8.66 inches in width and depth. It's perfect for turning soil, mixing in compost, and creating that ideal loose soil texture that allows water to reach your plant roots efficiently. This is a game changer for any serious gardener. The BILT Hard Rototiller boasts a 38cc, 1.34 horsepower, 4-stroke overhead valve engine full crank engine with a 44:1 reduction ratio. This rototiller performs best with moist soil. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a like below and subscribe to Tools Query for more tool talks, tips, and tricks. And if you've got any questions or tiller tales to share, hit us up in the comments.